To begin, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. This will open Task Manager. If it opens in a simple view, select More Details so you can see all the tabs. Next, click on the Startup tab. Here, you will see a list of apps that are set to launch when Windows starts. You will also see a Startup Impact column, which shows how much each app affects performance. High-impact apps usually slow down startup more than low-impact ones. Look through the list and choose the apps you do not need to open automatically. Common examples include music apps, chat programs, or game launchers. Be careful not to disable important system or security software. To disable an app, click on it once, then select Disable in the bottom right corner. The status will change to Disabled. This means it will no longer start when you turn on your computer. Repeat this for any other apps you want to stop from launching at startup. When you are done, close Task Manager. The changes will apply the next time you restart your computer. That is how you disable Windows startup apps quickly and easily.